Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue à Learn French by Suchita. Je m'appelle Suchita, votre enseignante de la langue française, and in this video I am going to teach you all the vocabulary related to environment, l'environnement. Before we begin with this video, I would like to introduce you to my website www.learnfrenchbysuchita.com, where you will find recorded courses for all your French language needs. We have courses for DELF A1, DELF A2, DELF B1, TEF TCF recorded course, French phonetics as well. We have special courses for our school students ranging from grade 5 to grade 8. We also have courses for university students who are enrolled in certificate course or diploma course in Delhi University. And finally, we also have courses for our school students who are aiming to appear for their DELF Prem or DELF Junior examinations. So hurry up and check it out. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. And as I already told you, in this video, I'm going to teach you all the vocabulary related to environment. Now, environment is known as l'environnement. L'environnement. Before we start with this video, I would request you to watch this video till the end, and in case you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel and mention your comments in the comment section below. And in case you are not following me over my Instagram page, which is Learn French by Suchita, go and follow me over there as well. So let's just start with this video, and in this video we are going to learn all the vocabulary related to environment. Now environment is known as l'environnement. L'environnement. It's very important to break the word and pronounce it. So l'environnement. Let's start with the first one, and that's planet. Planet is known as la planète. The next one is global warming. That's known as le réchauffement climatique. The next one is greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect, that's known as l'effet de serre. The next one is recycling. Recycling is known as le recyclage. This word is as an exception, it ends with. Actually, basically, I told you in one of the videos that the words which end with age, they are masculine. So, le recyclage, that's masculine. Or you can say that's an exception that ends with e, but that's masculine, right? So, le recyclage. The next one is pollution. Now, the words which end with tion or the words which end with ion, they are generally feminine, right? So, la pollution, that's feminine. Now, these are basically the definite articles. If you do not know what are the definite articles and how do you put le, la, le, for that I'm going to mention the link in the card above. You can watch that video and then come back here again. Now, the next one is nature. Nature is known as la nature. The next one is waste or the garbage. For that, I'm going to give you two words. Both of them are synonyms. The first is les déchets. Or you can say les ordures. The next one is ecology. That's known as l'écologie. Je répète, vous allez répéter après moi. Allez, planet is known as la planète. The next one is global warming. Global warming is le réchauffement climatique. The next one is greenhouse effect. That's l'effet de serre. The next one is recycling. That's known as le recyclage. The next one is pollution. Pollution is la pollution. Nature, that's la nature. For the waste or the garbage, we have two words, les déchets
les déchets, or you can say les ordures. Les ordures. The next one is ecology, that's known as l'écologie. 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 Alright, so the next one is flora. Flora, or you can say the plant life. The plant life in French is known as la flore. La flore. The next one is fauna. Fauna is the wildlife or the animal life. That's known as la faune. La faune. La faune. The next one is danger. Danger is known as le danger. Le danger. Le danger. The next one is toxic gas. Toxic gas is known as le gaz toxique. Le gaz toxique. Le gaz toxique. The next one is carbon dioxide. That's known as le dioxyde de carbone. Le dioxyde de carbone. Le dioxyde de carbone. The next one is renewable energy. That's known as les énergies renouvelables. Les énergies renouvelables. Les énergies renouvelables. Les énergies renouvelables. The next one is a plastic bag, that's known as le sac en plastique. Le sac en plastique. Le sac en plastique. The next one is a solar panel, that's known as le panneau solaire. Le panneau solaire. Le panneau solaire. Let's just revise them once again. So the first one is flora. Flora is known as la flore. La flore. The next one is fauna, or the wildlife or the animal life, that's known as la faune. La faune. The next one is danger. Danger is known as le danger. Le danger. Le danger. The next one is a toxic gas, that's known as le gaz toxique. Le gaz toxique. Le gaz toxique. The next one is carbon dioxide, that's known as le dioxyde de carbone. Le dioxyde de carbone. Le dioxyde de carbone. The next one is renewable energy, and that's known as les énergies renouvelables. Les énergies renouvelables. The next one is plastic bag, that's known as le sac en plastique. Le sac en plastique. The next one is solar panel, that's known as le panneau solaire. Le panneau solaire. Le panneau solaire. Repeat after me, okay? Le panneau solaire. Alright, so now we would be doing certain verbs. Alright, all of them are verbs. The first verb is to contaminate. To contaminate is known as contaminer. Contaminer. Now see, the beauty about all these verbs, except for this verb, all of them are ER verbs. All of them are the regular ER verbs, so you will conjugate just them, all of them just like the regular ER verbs, right? So if you do not know what exactly are the ER verbs and how do you conjugate them, I'm going to mention the link of the ER verbs in the card above. You can watch that video and then come back here again. The link of the same video I'm going to mention in the description box as well. Now, to contaminate is known as contaminer. 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 The next one is to protect. To protect is known as protéger. 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 The next one is to pollute. To pollute, you remember pollution? Pollution was known as la pollution. So this is the word of the same family. To pollute is known as polluer. 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 To protest. Protest is known as to protest. That's known as protester. Protester. By the way, the noun would be the protest. That's known as protestation. La protestation. But that's okay. You have to just learn to protest. That's known as protester. The next one is to preserve. To preserve, that's known as préserver. 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 The next one is to recycle. That's known as recycler. Recycler. In the previous slide, we had learned how do you say the recycling. That was le recyclage. Le recyclage. Now, the word of the same family is recycler. This is a verb. Recycler. The next one is to destroy. Right? That's known as détruire. Détruire. Now, this is not ER verb. This is RE verb. Right? So, this is détruire. Détruire. The next one is to sort. When you sort something by category, let's say if you want to sort the waste by the category, right? So to sort is known as trier. 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 The waste or the garbage was known as déchets. So let's say if you want to say sorting the garbage, you will say trier les déchets. Trier les déchets. To sort is known as trier. Let's revise them once again. So the first one is to contaminate. That's known as contaminer. Contaminer. The next one is to protect. That's known as protéger. Protéger. The next one is to pollute. To pollute is known as polluer. Polluer. To protest, that's known as protester. Protester. To preserve, that's known as préserver. 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 To recycle, that's known as recycler. 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 The next one is to destroy, that's known as détruire. 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 And the last one is to sort, that's known as trier. Trier. To sort is trier. And that's it for this video. In case you know any other word which is related to environment, l'environnement, please mention them in the comment section below. I'm going to read them out. And that's it for this video. In case you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and mention your comments in the comment section below. And for all the updates and reminders, do not forget to hit the bell icon. And I'll see you soon with the next video. Till then, au revoir, à bientôt et bisous bisous.